Hi everybody and welcome back to 702 Overlanding. This is what's going to be known as the review corner and unboxing station. Next to me here I've got the Devos Light Ranger 1200 from Devos Outdoors. I like the product so much that I went ahead and I bought another one. So let's get it unboxed and see what comes with it. I will tell you, by the time I ordered this product, it took about 2 days to have it delivered to my house. Better than Amazon. So let's take a look. It comes pretty well packaged. And that's it. The box is empty. There's the Light Ranger. So let's see. Inside, we've got the USB-C power cord with the charging brick. I'm not sure what this is, 9 volt, 0.6 amps. It does the job, it charges up pretty quickly. Boxes, we have the travel bag. Nicely labeled, Devos Light Ranger. Let everybody know what you have. It's really self-explanatory, super easy. Now I will say the one thing that doesn't come with this that I had to purchase for my first Light Ranger was the ground stake. It's about 10-12 inches long with a big stake, drives right into the ground, and the Light Ranger post sits right into it to give you a little bit more stability if it's windy or rainy out. But we went camping last week and we got hit with a really bad thunderstorm. It rained and wind and the tent was shaking around for about 7 hours straight, and I had forgotten to put the Light Ranger on the stake, and it sat outside in the rain for about 7-8 hours. The next morning we woke up and it was just fine. It didn't even move with the tripod on itself, so I think you'll be okay. But for $20, it's a great investment. I definitely pick one up. Everything comes pre-assembled with it. Let me show you guys the light here. So this detaches right off of the tripod pole. We've got one button here, one click turns the light on all 4 sides. So this is on the highest setting. I mean, this thing is really bright. It means daylight in the room right now, but you can definitely tell this thing is a powerhouse. If you click it again, it turns off. If you click it again in succession, you'll get 2 sides lit up. If you click it again, it turns off. So if you want to cycle through the modes, you have to quickly press it. And this is the lowest setting. So at the lowest setting, it'll give you 80 hours of runtime, which is insane. And it still gives off unidirectional light to light up a specific area if you don't need 360-degree coverage. So I waited about a month before doing any sort of review, anything on this product, because I wanted to make sure, right? There's so many companies out on the market. There's so many products out on the market. They pay people to put out reviews and say, oh, this is the best thing you'll ever try. And then you buy it, it comes home, you try it, you're like, this thing is terrible. I don't want to be that person. I don't want to bring you guys fake reviews. I'm not bought by any company out here. You guys know my truck. You see it on my page all the time. I have paid for every single thing on that truck. I have not been sponsored by any companies, not that I'm not open to it, but I've paid for everything on my channel, on my YouTube, on my Instagram pages, on my truck. So everything I tell you guys is from real world experience, okay? I work hard for my money. I'm sure you guys do too. So I'm not gonna tell you guys to go waste your money on something that's not worth it. But honestly, this product, I absolutely love it. I like it enough to where I bought my second one. I use it for camping. I use it to work on my truck outside. I use it to, when we're outside in the backyard swimming in the pool. I put the yellow filter on so it doesn't attract bugs and mosquitoes into the water. So I truly believe in this product, so that's why I'm bringing it to you guys. The telescoping pole, pretty easy to set up. Just pull out the legs a little bit, push this up all the way. There's a little lever here. You loosen this up, post goes all the way down, and lock it in. Okay. You have these three levers here. Let me go ahead and put the light back on. Okay. So goes up, locks down. Second one. Let's turn this light on. Up and up again. Take a look at that. Here's the second one. So, I mean, I'm gonna put both of them side by side. This is at its lowest setting, at the lowest height. That's at the highest height. So this is about 9 feet there, and I'd say this is about 3 feet over here. Combined, you can get just an incredible amount of light coverage around you. The Light Ranger 1200 puts out 1200 lumens of light, just like the name implies. They have a Light Ranger 2000 that's out now. It was on back order when I was ordering it, but honestly, with 2 of these, you can't go wrong. Okay, I'm gonna include a discount code in the description. If you go to devosoutdoor.com, use promo code discount code 702 Overlanding, you'll save 10% on your order. I do get points for every person that uses my promo code, just for future content, help support the channel. Go ahead and check them out. This is something that I honestly believe in, and I think you're gonna love it too. So go ahead and check them out, devosoutdoor.com. This is 702 Overlanding. Thanks for checking it out.